Hi students, welcome to my channel. இந்த வீடியோவில் 8th science unit 6 sound lessonோட book back answers தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். First question, sound waves travel very fast in option B, metals. Sound waves travel very fast in metals. Second one, which of the following are the characteristics of vibrations? First one, frequency. Second, time period. Third one, pitch. And fourth, loudness. The correct answer is frequency and time period. So option A is the correct answer. The amplitude of a sound wave decides its loudness. Option C is the correct answer. What kind of musical instrument is a sitar? Sitar is a string instrument. Option A is the correct answer. Fourth one, string instrument. Fifth one, find the odd one out. Harmonium, flute, nadaswaram, violin. Violin is a string instrument, so this is the odd one. Noise is produced by irregular and non-periodic vibrations. Option D is the correct answer. The range of audible frequency for the human ear is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Option C is the correct answer. If the amplitude and frequency of a sound wave are increased, which of the following is true? Loudness increases and pitch is higher. Option A is the correct answer. Next one, which of the following may be caused by noise? Irritation, stress, nervousness. All the above is the correct answer. Filling the blanks. Sound is produced by vibrating bodies. First one answer, vibrating bodies. The vibrations of a simple pendulum are also known as oscillation. Second one answer, oscillation. Sound travels in the form of mechanical waves. Third one answer, mechanical waves. High frequency sounds that cannot be heard by you are called ultrasonic. Fourth one answer is ultrasonic. Pitch of a sound depends on the frequency of the vibration. Pitch of a sound depends on the frequency of the vibration. If the thickness of a vibrating string is increased, its pitch decrease. Next, match the following. Ultrasonics, frequency more than 20,000 Hz. Speed of sound in air 330 meter per second. Infrasonics, frequency below 20 Hz. Sound propagation needs material medium. வீடியோ பாஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஆன்சர்ஸ் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆப்ஷன் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், assertion. When lightning strikes, the sound is heard a little after the flash is seen. It's true. Reason, the velocity of light is greater than that of the sound. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. First one answer A. Second one பாருங்க, 2 persons on the surface of moon cannot talk to each other னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. This is true. Reason, there is no atmosphere on moon. Reason also true. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. ரெண்டு கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்குமே ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஆப்ஷன் A only. இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடியுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குன்னு தோணுச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோக்கு ஒரு லைக் கொடுத்துருங்க. உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்கிட்டையும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.